We're in Connecticut. It's December 23rd. A great day for boating. We have one of our remanufactured power heads that we've just completed, and we thought we'd show you our unique exclusive temp per cylinder test we do on the engines that we remanufacture. These yellow wires on the end of them is something called a thermocouple. We have them mounted to the spark plugs. We get a view of that. 1 through 6. And then we've got it hooked up through some exclusive software that we developed. It tells you temp per cylinder. It's extremely important to know temp per cylinder, not just the temp of the whole engine. Because on a two-stroke, each cylinder runs independently, and the failure is almost always caused by one cylinder running too hot because of detonation, which can be caused by bad fuel, bad ignition, bad injector, one of many reasons. We perform this test. We can be pretty assured that every cylinder is running the way it's supposed to, the right temp. We can send this motor out with reliability. So right now we're gonna just film this as we start it. You'll see the temperature come up, and the thermocouples are not perfect contact, so we're not looking for perfect readings. We're looking for a differential somewhat less than 40% at high end. So that's what it is right now. We just shut the engine off. We'll start it up. Maybe you can see it. It's instant. It's almost as soon as you start it, you're going to see them go up. See them going up right away. All right, we're going to get some RPM. Remember, we're looking just for a huge variation, like more than 40%. So, and all motors fail at the high end. They don't fail at the low end. That's when they lean out and cause detonation, reignition, some people call it. So we're going to look at these numbers. We've already done it once, but we were happy with them. We're going to open it up. Okay, so we're extremely happy with those results of that test. We never got any temperatures even above like 280. Again, we're not looking for perfection because you're going to have variations with the contact of the thermocouple. Some cylinders will run a little different. But basically, a motor's got to pop if one is 40 to 50% higher than the other 5. So we didn't have that. We put a good run on it. Now we can button it up, do the rest of our sea trial, and this motor should be a great motor to run a long time for the customer.